If you're looking to take your Forex trade to the next level, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're about to unveil the 7 trading secrets that most successful traders won't share. These golden nuggets of wisdom are essential for your trading journey, so let's dive in. Remember to watch the entire video. We also have several videos on the channel that we know you will surely enjoy. So watch them after watching this video. For everything else, free Forex courses, free Forex robots, free indicators, and the broker that I use personally, see the links in the description box below. In this video, we reveal 7 powerful yet often overlooked trading secrets that separate the most successful traders from the rest. The first secret to trading success is to keep an open mind. Successful traders avoid absolutes and embrace uncertainty. They think in terms of probabilities rather than certainties. Remember, the market is unpredictable, and overconfidence can lead to costly mistakes. Don't let certainty cloud your judgment, and be prepared for unexpected outcomes. Secret 2. Stop focusing on making money. It's time to debunk a common misconception. Trading isn't all about making money. It's about managing risk and maintaining consistency. Instead of obsessing over profits, focus on refining your trading plan and strategy. Even a small profit is a step in the right direction. Be the trader who values growth over quick gains. Secret number 3. Risk less, succeed more. While higher risks might seem appealing, they can lead to catastrophic losses. Opt for controlled risk, risking around 1% per trade. This approach safeguards your account and prevents impulsive decisions. Remember, slow and steady wins the trading race. Secret 4. Boring is normal. Prepare for a reality check. Trading isn't all hustle and bustle. Successful traders spend hours observing the market from the comfort of their devices. Embrace the quiet moments and stay patient. And if you're itching for action, consider using automated Forex robots to trade on your behalf. Secret number 5 might surprise you. Your win rate isn't the be-all and end-all. Focus on profits versus losses instead. A higher win rate doesn't guarantee success if your losses outweigh your gains. It's all about the balance between winning big and managing losses. Secret 6 is to decide how much money you want to lose on a trade, not the percentage. It's time to rethink risk tolerance. Instead of relying solely on a percentage of your account balance, decide on a specific dollar amount you're willing to risk. This tailored approach ensures your risk aligns with your comfort level, improving decision-making and reducing emotional trading. Our final secret: always remain neutral in the face of losses. Losing is a natural part of trading. Successful traders don't let losses affect their mindset. Adopt a neutral stance, learn from mistakes, and keep pushing forward. Resilience is the key to long-term success. And there you have it, fellow traders. 7 trading secrets that most successful traders won't share. Apply these principles to your trading journey and watch your results soar. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your trading community, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy trading.